piece of car. The fucking pile of never gets me very far. My car's a big piece of cause these shocks are fucking shot. Well, my seatbelt's fucking broken. I got to tie it in a knot.
It's a piece of shit.
I can't see through the windshield, cause he's got a big fucking crack. And the interior smells real bad, cause my friend puked in the back.
It's a piece of shit. Piece of shit car.
Piece of shit car.
You got a piece of shit car.
It sucks royal.
That he polishing.
100% crap.
Never gets me very far.
Oh, you car. It's got no CD player. It only got the 8-track. Whoever designed my car can lick my sweating sack.
They can bite his up too.
And I got no fucking brakes. I'm always way out of control. 11 times a day I hear, hey, watch it, asshole.
You piece of shit. Piece of shit car.
I got a piece of
You got a piece of shit car.
diesel gas sucks my
That he polishing.
that pile of metal shit.
Very far.
Oh, what the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do? What the fuck did I do to get stuck with you? You're too wide for drive-through, and you smell like tissue. But I'm too broke to buy something new. Oh, me. Likes to flood. The car always fucking stalls. And the seat cushion's got a big rip, so a spring always pokes the bumps.
Ouch, ouch, ouch.
Plus the door locks are busted. I got to use a fucking coat hanger.
What a pain in his ass.
And if a girlie sees my car, there's no chance I'll ever bang her.
You never ever get the
Hey, shut up.
piece of shit
You
car.
piece of shit
You got
car.
a piece of shit
You
car.
piece of shit car.
Piece of shit car.
Gold
You
feet
got a
and
piece of
tires.
shit car.
No rear view mirror. 7 different colors. Fucking rag for a gas cap. Tailpipe making sparks fly everywhere.
Piece of shit car.
Whoa.
You got a piece of shit car. Piece of shit
The
car.
whole town thinks I'm a loser.
Cabby, give me a push.